Hey guys, welcome back and thank you very much for stopping by. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Lillian. So, guys, we came to Tema. I stated that in one of my videos, the reason I came to Tema and had to even sleep in a hotel because you may be wondering, aren't Tema very close to Accra? So, why all this? Okay, I have two videos to explain that. I have the first talking about why I came, and I have the last leaving Tema in a very fun filled way. Community one, we are here. If you know this place, comment down below, okay? Comment down below. Right now, we're going to look for food to eat before going to the harbor. It's getting late, really. Okay. Do you have light soup? Yes. Okay, please give me. Me, I want fufu. Yes, please. Avoid getting copyright claim on this video. I think it's best to go back on voice notes. I wanted to do this as raw as possible, but every now and then you hear people playing music, and it's gonna affect me if I don't do this. So sorry about this. So I would have allowed you guys hear all the fun, how the women reacted, how they were behaving, seeing us, seeing foreigners wanting to eat the local food. It was so warm. So yeah, now I ordered for light soup and fufu and goat meat. If you want to see what Beatrice Achibong ordered, kindly visit her channel. Before I forget to tell you that I did not come on this trip alone. I came with another YouTuber by name Blue Beatrice Achibong, and she has this version of Tema vlog on her own channel. So I'm going to link it down in the description of this one so you can visit her, okay? So this fufu here was hitting every corner of my head. I mean, the right spot. This fufu is so nice. Like lately, I've been lucky with fufu. I've been eating the best around. So I love it. So right now, what we intended to do was go to the harbor. Wanted to visit Tema Harbor, get to see where some of the goods comes into the country from outside. It's so good. Wanted to see that, but we're told we cannot be allowed inside. They told us reasons, and that is very okay. So right now we are heading to Titanic Beach since we cannot go to Tema Harbor. I was never going to come to Tema and leave without going to that beach. Guys, to be precise, Titanic Beach, somewhere located close to Sakumono. I don't know what community Sakumono is. Is it community 5 or what? Comment down below, okay? For my Tema guys, I refuse. If I wanted to do like a street vlog, okay, on Tema, the guys were ready. They'll come and approach you. What are you here for? Are you a journalist? Are you a this? Are you a that? It's as if all the guys in Tema are into music. Hello. So they wanted that interaction. Though we did that off camera. And maybe anytime I go back to Tema, I may decide to do that. But for this one, it wasn't about that right now. So we're going to the beach so we can wear our bikini, because on our way here, I bought myself a bikini because I do not own any. That is because I don't wear them. So, but now I have been moving and associating with this young Nigerian beauty. She's young and free and fearless, and she's been dragging me along. So why not, just act like a girl for a minute. I know I'm a mom, yeah. I'm a mom, I know, right? I'm older than all the women in Africa. Hello. That's a joke, actually. So we are heading to Titanic Beach so that we can, wear our bikinis, swim, eat the fish. Guys, if you have been to Tema before, if I have been to Titanic Beach, to be precise, this advert is free. It's because I want you to experience it and come back here and tell me, Lily, you are the best. Because they serve this fish at the beach. Please, when you're going there, make sure you have reasonable amount of money on you, from 50 and above. But you are going to love it. Like, you are going to enjoy the fish there. This woman usually marinates her fish, leaves it overnight. How did I know all these things about people located in a city far from mine? Okay, I've been around. Yeah, I've been here before. When I was still a small YouTuber, before I got to this million subscribers, I've been here before. So, and then it was really fun. Coupled with the fact that I got here and I could not help it but bring my phone out to vlog. Look at how beautiful the views are. Tema has that natural beauty. There are lots of trees planted and it is just so natural. It gives you that rural and urban vibes. That is what Tema gives you, Charlie.
Tema North, Tema South, Tema
They do. They have Tema that and that. So what does what Tema? What is Pinterest? East or west or north or south? Eh? Which one is the one of Pinterest? Is it east, west or south?
Ask them, guys. Let us know where Tema is. Is it?
No. They see.
Is that?
It's looking so unkept because of the rain.
Let me sit down there.
It looks so dirty. No. It looks so. You can come and ask us. So because I didn't know that during the raining season, this is what the beach looks like. On getting here, I was like, oh my god, I didn't know that it's gonna look like this. It looks unattractive, it looks so, the water is just dirty and the whole place is cold. Unlike during the dry season, if you come here during the dry season, you're gonna love everything about here. Even the people that sells fish did not open because of the rain. I don't know if they opened or something, but they didn't come and attend to us like before. Everything was just so different. I said, okay, even the bikini that we wanted to wear. So my dream of wearing a bikini for the first time on this channel, did not come to fullness because of the weather. So we just kind of hang around, sit down, observe the water, look around. We saw a lady and her man, playing, having the fun of their life. So we just completely admired them because, yeah, they were so happy together. So we sat there, admired the water, admired the lovebirds. We saw the people that came for photo shoots. Oh, you see this beach. If you come here during dry season, guys, you're gonna love it. Please, anytime you make it to this place, don't forget to ask for fish. This particular place, their own is Titanic, like that restaurant or the fish people or that bar. Okay, fine, that bar is called Titanic Bar. They don't know anything about me. They do not know that I'm a YouTuber. They didn't approach me to talk about them, but because the fish there is good, so when you go there, try it, okay, and banku, and then thank me later. If you want it with fried yam too, they do have it. So this is a very nice place for you to hang out, just observe the wonders of God, creation. Just sit down there, observe the water. So that was exactly what we did. We tried to see how we can, enjoy the we try to see if the weather would change for a bit so we can wear our bikinis and maybe try to soak our legs, our foot into the water. But that did not happen, and I said, okay, so the only thing we have to do is just sit down for a bit and then carry our bags and head out.
Wer will schon allein sein? Dieses Gefühl kenn ich ganz genau. Bin zu oft gescheitert, hab so viel riskiert. Doch
got back to community one and then decided to, you know, up on all the beautiful street food that we could find, from kebabs to fried yam to kelewele. Kelewele is not what I used to like until I tried this one, because I've said I don't really like it, so I needed to, you know, see if I can like it. And then all of a sudden I started loving it again. And what next after that? We're gonna go to bed, and stay tuned because in the morning I'm gonna continue from there.
Nächte sind zweisam, es macht endlich Sinn. Lass uns nie mehr vorbei sein, wir beide können nur gewinnen. Ohne dich war mein Leben nur ein so ohne Plan. Doch du bist endlich da und der Traum wird wahr. Ich kann nicht glauben, dass es passiert. Ich hab mein Leben lang gewartet, hab schon nicht mehr.
If you made it to this part of the video, thank you so much. And also, if you did not, thank you still. So right now we are going straight to the train station so that we can, you know, use the train to go back to Accra. Thank you for watching this one. I'll see you in my next one.